Good evening, folks, and welcome back to Soil Farming Homestead. I'm Lawrence, and I wanted to make a quick little video here talking about the Sawmill project that we're going to have going on. It's a double O frick, and I acquired this thing about sometime in 2010, and we put this thing up and had it running, and we saw a lot of lumber on it. But we done all the stocking back in it with wood, and anyway, I didn't keep it clean around there, and sawdust got built up, and it kind of rotted the wood out, and then a tree fell down on it, and the wind blew some tin off the roof and stuff. Anyway, the shed almost came down on it, and we've been working on it and cleaning up, and we've got a new shed back over it again, and we're fixing to start pouring footers for the trackways, and it is powered by Alice Chambers E563, and what I've read is putting out somewhere around 60 horsepower or something, maybe. I'm not sure about that, but I got steel to go back under it. We're going to redo it with steel this time so it won't go anywhere, and probably paint it up. And I had wood under it before, like I said, and it kind of rotted down. And hopefully the weekend I'll get some time to actually do a little more work on it. If you like this kind of thing, I'm going to do like a playlist of videos on this sawmill, and feel free to hit that like and subscribe button. And we just like to do ordinary things around here. We're just ordinary people, and I work a full-time job, and I like to take this time and come out here and share it with the rest of the world. And till the next time, we'll see you later. Bye.